What's up, y'all? I'm JM, and I'm gonna be walking around the office to see if folks can recognize a classic car. Hey, Matthew, I got a question for you.
Yeah.
Is this a classic car?
I would consider that a classic car.
Why is that a classic car?
I mean, it's got the cherry red, classic Ford vehicle, American made. Looks good.
Yes, it looks old.
No.
Why?
The headlights remind me of my grandfather's truck, and it just looks like an old truck.
Headlights not in on old trucks. Adam, I got a question for you. Do you think this is a classic car?
Kind of. I saw people driving this car when I was a kid, so.
What year was that?
I was born in '87. Classic for me would be things created before I was born.
Things created before he was born. Hey, Sarah Grace, I got a question for you. Do you think this is a classic car?
I think it's pretty classic. It looks kind of old, looks older than I am.
So, like, you think everything that's old and looks old is just a classic by default?
Yeah, I guess it is a classic. If it's made before I was born, I would say that. I would just look at it as a classic. Maybe that's wrong, I'm assuming.
I don't know.
Oh, that's classic.
Classic? Why is that classic? Do you own one?
I do not. You know, it's a Range Rover.
Would you buy it?
Oh, wait, that's a Range Rover.
Yes. Would you buy it though still?
Yeah.
She would buy it, but remember, headlights, old headlights not in.
Absolutely. I'd drive one in a heartbeat. That's an instant classic right there.
Do you have one?
I wish.
He wishes everybody.
I don't know about this one. I like the green color, but it looks a little too new to me.
Do you own a green car?
I do not. I wish I did as well.
We can get him a green car. Yeah. You should buy this one if you want a green car.
I think I would.
Okay, yes, he will buy this green car. What about this one?
Yes.
So, apparently classic cars have to be old and that's it. Thank you.
Yeah, this is definitely a classic. I mean, look at those headlights, the yellow paint.
Because it has the lights, like the little thing.
Do you own a car that has lights like that?
Not that flip up and down like that.
Would you buy one?
No,
Why?
because it's old.
It's got those eyeball-looking headlights that pop up out of the hood.
It's the second one today.
Probably early '90s, maybe late '80s Honda. I think it's a Prelude. It looks classic. I don't know, by my previous definition, maybe not.
I don't know. Looks can be deceiving.
I would say so. I don't even know if Pontiac makes new cars anymore, but
Does Pontiac make new cars?
No, not a fan.
Not a classic car.
It just doesn't look like a classic. The other one looked like a classic. I mean, it looks like old.
Old again? We're back with the old joke.
Classic. It doesn't look like one of those like old-timey classic cars. It just kind of looks like something built in the 90s.